Hey there, YouTube fans. I'm going to start recording some little videos to post here regarding my lettering book and the kits that ADORNit is doing to go with them. Period. This is the current lettering book, the newest one, and quite honestly my favorite. It's done by myself and ADORNit, and you can purchase it here from ADORNit on their website at adornit.com. You can purchase it from me on my Etsy page at www.thepaperrabbit.etsy.com. And I think you can also get it by joining our Facebook group, which is called Creative Hand Lettering with Lindsay. And it is a group on Facebook, and you have to respond to a couple of questions, and then I will add you to the group. So this is the lettering book that we just came out with last year. And this year we're doing kits that go along with the lettering book that dive more deeply into certain styles of lettering. So we have those coming every other month. That's one of the subscription box kits. And that comes in a cute little box, and it comes with pens and different things that I've designed to help you do your lettering, sheets of paper that it's easy to create the lettering from, all different kinds of things. Each box is different. So those come every other month for 6 months, or 12 months, because it's every other month. And then in between every other month, or 6 kits, you get a project box kit. So for example, the most current kit was called Details and Doodles, and it talks about, hold on, I gotta find it here, talks about doing some detailing in your letters. So we took this page and we expanded on that kit. So that kit comes with lots of things that you need for doing the details and doodles, and I will post a video here for that eventually. I'm just going to try to stay on task and move here forward. So this was last month's kit, the details and doodles workbook box. This month we have the details and doodles project box kit. And so this came just the other day, and I wanted to do a video that explained the whole thing to you. So this is a kit that you get every other month from ADORNit directly, not from me. So you would have to order it from ADORNit. And there is a link that I will post here that will take you there to purchase this kit. When you purchase it, you have to sign up for the full 6 months. So you'll start with the first one, which is practical printing, and then you'll get the second one, which is details and doodles. This one here. So that being said, let me show you and walk you through what's in the kit. This is one of the projects that's in the kit, and you get a card that tells you exactly what comes in it. So you get the Quotables book, and this is the price that it is worth. But I believe that this is a $30 kit or a $40 kit. Don't quote me on that. So you always save money. You get a Posca marking pen, a Tombow marking pen, a small hanger, a hanger with clips, 6 printable paper sheets, a trim pack, 2 felt strips, felt flowers, and the value is $48, but it doesn't cost you that much. Let me grab the other pen. So let me walk you through what you get. So the Quotables book should be here, and I ripped mine apart because I'm going to be showing it tomorrow live on Facebook if you want to join me at the Creative Hand Lettering with Lindsay page. So you get this Quotables book, and I took mine apart because I needed to make copies of these. This is your book. You're totally fine to do whatever you want with it, but the idea is to either color these in direct to this paper or make copies of them through your local printer, or ADORNit and myself have a light box that we offer through ADORNit, which is what I'm going to be showing tomorrow on the Facebook page. So it gives you a whole bunch of quotes. Like this page, this is the wave lettering, which is shown in the lettering book, and you can actually put more words in there. This one is, these are half sheets, so this one is pretty perfect. Throw kindness around like confetti, and you could actually make postcards with that. This one says, it's the way you ride the trail. It's the way you ride the trail that counts, and that's a Dale Evans quote. I love that one. These are also half sheets, so this says, be the reason someone smiles today. And then this one says, let the sun shine in, which is pertinent for today because it is trying to rain. at my house. And this one says, life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Annette Funicello. Then we have this one that says, she believed she could and she did. And then 2 more on the back cover. Put your positive pants on. And then nature hides treasures for those who are willing to look for them. So that's the project book, the Quotables book. That's a $10 value. Then you get a Posca marker, which is this here. That is a super fine point white pen, and we'll talk about that one later. You get the Tombow gray marker for doing highlights and shadowing. You get the small hanger, so you can do a project like is shown here with some of your quotables from the book and hang it off the hanger and then hang it into a beautiful place on your wall. You get the large hanger with clips, which is kind of cool. I do happen to love this. I'm going to make samples today, and you'll see them live tomorrow on Facebook. So this, you'd make your sample here and hang it off of this, and then you can change it out all the time. I think that's the one. No, they did the little one here. That's the little hanger. So cute. And then, got to flip this back over. You get 6 sheets of printable paper, and that is here. And this is, if you bought anything from ADORNit before, they do art play paintables, which have a lot of my designs on it. And you can draw on this with the IdentiPen, which is in one of the other project boxes, and then watercolor on it. It's like a really toothy watercolor paper. It's beautiful. So you get 6 sheets of those, so you can do your own quotes. Then you get the trim pack, which is this here. Such cute little trims, pom-poms, and a really pretty lace, and then a couple of ribbons. So that's the trim pack. And then you get 2 strips of felt, which they used to do this here, to go over the hanger, to attach the hanger. I have other ideas for that myself. And I don't know what this is or why it is in my pile. Oh, I do know why. Because I did print out one of the quotes here, and then I traced the other one with the light box. So there's that. And then let's see what else comes in this kit. Felt flowers. Oh dear, I've already used those. I'm in trouble with that one. And the value is $48. So that's what's in the kit. I'm going to do a update to this video as well. Lost my train of thought. I'm going to do an update where I'm actually doing some of the projects. So I'll come back and do that one in a few minutes. And that'll be Quotables Part 2.